What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. As you guys most likely seen from the title and thumbnail, today we'll be putting a lip on the M5. I was actually thinking of getting this exact lip for my car. I was just waiting for kind of like the right time to do it, I guess, but my brother went ahead and sponsored me with the lip as an early Christmas gift. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys right now. I had seen a couple cars with this lip before, and honestly it looks pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. Plus I've never had a lip on any car before, and I wouldn't say the M5 is like super low, but it's relatively low, and I've never driven a pretty low car with the lip, so there's no point in getting like a super expensive lip and then breaking it right away. There's no point in that. I can get a lip like that like way later down the road. I was thinking of getting this one myself, and fortunately my brother went ahead and sponsored me. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this lip before. It's the 3-piece like universal lip. I've seen a couple people put this on their F10s actually. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this on today. Hopefully it looks cool. Hopefully we can fit it on pretty good, because the only thing I'm worried about is since the M5 has this piece, there's not really a lot for it to be like bolted onto, so we're gonna have to figure that out. But besides that, yeah, it should look pretty cool. I haven't washed the car like in 2 weeks, guys. It's been like windy, and then it gets dark at 5. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and set up the tripod probably, and then we'll see how we start putting this lip on. My brother's gonna go ahead and help me today. He's about to come out in a little bit, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set everything up, put the tripod, and we'll see how this comes out. I don't think so. That's better. Alright, hold on. Alright guys, so we still don't really know exactly how we're gonna line up the lip and everything, so I think I'm gonna just put everything on a time lapse, and then after I'll kind of show you guys how we did it. But yeah, I'll probably just put all of this in a little time lapse. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like as of right now. Basically, the spacers are gonna go in right here in the middle to leave a little space right there. But basically what we did is we just put tape. You guys can see on top also, just to hold it on, and then we were kind of measuring with a little measuring tape to see the distance from like here to here. You guys can really put it on however you want. This is just how we're gonna do it. But yeah, that's what we did. Put tape. Now we can actually put the bolts in. It comes with self-tapping bolts, and then we're gonna put some right here too with the spacers. Same thing on the other side. And yeah, just wanted to show you guys real quick. What if the guy doesn't come out? Oh, it might not actually. Scary. Alright guys, I'm about to drop it right now. Barely. On bricks. Oh my gosh, dude. Sheesh. Hey, that looks... Alright, so you guys can see right here already lowered on the floor. Well, actually not really, because I'm on bricks, because the jack stand would not fit, or the jack would not fit without the bricks because the car was too low. But yeah, now I'm about to see how it looks right now that I get off the bricks. So let me do that real quick. barely have any space. Alright, so you guys can see right there with the lip on. Sorry there's not too much light. I'll probably film a little bit more tomorrow morning before I upload the video. I'm trying to upload this tomorrow morning, but yeah, I'll probably go out in the morning and film it a little bit for you guys. Take a few pictures. But you guys can see how low it is right here. Barely any space. But yeah guys, that's how it looks. It looks super sick. I think it looks way better than like I imagined in my head.
Low-key, I think it matches the headlights now, because the headlights look like, I don't know. I just make,
like curvy but pointy and like, I don't know. But yeah, I think this is the first time I see like an M5 bumper with this lip. So maybe you guys will like it also. So I think I'm gonna end it right here for now guys, but like I said, tomorrow morning I'll go out and get a few pictures and show you guys the lip in the daylight. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so as you can tell, it is now daytime, but I'm about to wash the car right now before I take you guys somewhere to get a few clips of the lip, because like I said, this car hasn't been washed like in 2 weeks. Oops. But yeah, I'm about to wash it real quick. You guys can see all the stuff that I have to wash the car. I use the 2 buckets, separate buckets for the wheels, pressure washer, foam cannon, all this stuff. So yeah, I'm about to wash it real quick and I'll get back to you guys once I'm done. Alright guys, so we just came out to this little spot out here. This is actually where we did the launch video. I just wanted to come out real quick and film the lip a little bit better. It actually looks really sick. It looks a lot better than I thought it was gonna look. I think the main reason why I was like overthinking it was because I hadn't seen an M5 bumper with it. I think the only other F10s that I've seen with this lip were just regular M Sports 5 Series. That's the only reason that I was kind of iffy about it, but I think it came out really nice. I think it looks good on the car. It looks good with this bumper. Don't mind all the rock chips guys. Unfortunately I got the car like this. I think the front bumper is like one of the only cosmetic issues with the car. Besides that, I think everything else is pretty good. I think the paint is fairly good. I would like to get it fully paint corrected and ceramic coated eventually, but as of right now, that's how it sits. Little side angle. It actually looks like super aggressive, which is pretty cool. A little like side profile. I think the lip adds a lot to the car, makes it look a lot better. Not going to lie. For those of you who are wondering, this is how the car is sitting at the moment with the springs. I feel like it like settled down a little bit more. You guys can see right here, I fit like a finger straight, and then with the rear I feel like a finger but not straight. You guys can see I kind of have to fit it a little crooked. So yeah, I think that's pretty good fitment for me, to be honest. The only thing I really want right now is spacers. After I get the spacers, I'd like to do the stud conversion, and then probably get the wheels redone after that. That way I'm not like taking the wheels off and on and off and on. I get everything how I want it, perfect, dialed in, and then I can get the wheels redone and then like pretty much just leave them on, unless I have to take them off, which I really wouldn't have to. I just don't want to take them off too often right after I get them done. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I honestly think it looks really dope. I just hope it lasts me, because like I said, I've never really driven a car. I feel like this car is relatively low. It's not like super low. You guys can see the gap on the bottom for the lip, but it's relatively low, and I've never had a car with a lip. Yeah, hopefully this lasts guys. You can see right there. It honestly looks really good, I'm not gonna lie. Probably rock this for a while. If I'm really careful, I'm pretty sure it'll last me a long time. If it does break, it's obviously gonna be accidental. Anyways guys, like I said, just wanted to come out here and show you guys what this looks like. Honestly, the front looks so much better now. I think the M5 really needs a lip to look complete in the front, and I think this one makes it look like super aggressive, so that's pretty cool. Once again guys, shout out to my brother. I will leave his YouTube down below so you guys can check him out. He's starting up his YouTube. He currently has a nice little collection of Beamers, and I think you guys would really enjoy his content. Trying to push him to post more because he kind of lags sometimes, but besides that, please make sure to check him out. Down below in the description you guys will see his link. It's kind of cool because you can actually see the lip from the back because of that little side thing on the front. Anyways guys, sorry for the way I'm looking. The sun is like directly in my face, but if I turn it around, I would be like super dark and you guys won't be able to see me. So this is how it's gonna be. But anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here. If you guys did like the video, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think of the lip down in the comments below. Do you guys like it? Do you not? I know some people are gonna be like, oh, it's not real carbon or whatever, and it's like an M5. But honestly, I don't care. I was gonna get this lip myself anyway, so I'm really grateful that my brother actually got it for me. So yeah, huge shout out to my brother, guys. Once again, go ahead and check out his YouTube channel. The link will be in the description below. And yeah, anyways guys, with all that being said, please stay tuned for future videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.